One of the first questions that arises when we decide to act is, what should I do? In a world of infinite choices, finding direction can feel overwhelming. The key is to look inward before looking outward, because purpose is less a destination than an expression of who you already are. Think of purpose as your intrinsic blueprint, the combination of talents, curiosities, values, and energy that make you unmistakably you. A flame burns, water flows, and in the same way you have a natural mode of contribution that, when honored, feels both challenging and deeply right. Begin with self-study. Notice the tasks that energize you, the conversations that light you up, the topics you research for pleasure. Map your strengths and passions, but also trace the recurring problems in the world that tug at your heart. Where personal ability intersects genuine need, clues emerge. Next, listen for inner resonance. When you imagine pursuing a particular path, does your body relax or tense? Do you feel a quiet yes beneath the noise of doubt? Authentic purpose often comes with a subtle sense of alignment. Work feels meaningful even when it is difficult. Persistent restlessness, by contrast, signals misalignment that merits investigation. Remember that genuine purpose always includes service. Your gifts reach their fullest expression when they benefit something larger than yourself, your family, your community, a field of knowledge, or a cause that matters. Ask, how can my unique perspective solve problems or open possibilities for others? Treat the search as an experiment, not a single leap. Sample roles, volunteer, prototype projects. Each action generates feedback you can refine. Purpose tends to reveal itself in motion, not in contemplation alone. Adjust course whenever new insight arises. Think compass rather than railroad track. Physicist David Deutsch frames progress as the quest to solve problems and create knowledge. Your purpose, viewed this way, is the distinctive set of problems you are best equipped and most eager to tackle. When your daily efforts feed that creative engine, momentum builds and fulfillment follows. Finally, accept that purpose evolves. As you grow, capacities expand, and the world's needs change. Periodically revisit the questions that started this journey. What engages me now? What contribution feels both natural and necessary? By staying curious and adaptive, you allow purpose to remain a living conversation between your inner nature and the unfolding world around you.